Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make pizza on Tawa step by step. First, prepare your pizza dough, ensuring it's soft and pliable. Roll it out into a circular base, about 6 to 8 inches in diameter. Use a fork to lightly prick the dough all over. This prevents large bubbles from forming while cooking. This initial preparation is crucial for a well-cooked, evenly textured pizza base. Now, let's add the delicious toppings. Spread a generous layer of your favorite pizza sauce evenly over the prepared dough base. Next, add your chosen toppings like fresh vegetables, shredded cheese, and any pre-cooked meats. Distribute them well across the pizza for even cooking and a balanced flavor in every bite. Don't overload it, as this can affect cooking time and texture. It's time to cook. Preheat your tawa or a flat griddle over medium-low heat for about 5 minutes. Carefully transfer your assembled pizza onto the hot tawa. Immediately cover it with a lid to trap the heat, allowing the cheese to melt and the toppings to cook through. Cook for 8 to 12 minutes, or until the crust is golden brown and crispy. Once cooked, carefully remove the pizza from the tawa and let it rest for about 2 minutes. This brief resting period helps the cheese set and makes slicing easier. Then, slice your delicious homemade tawa pizza into your desired portions and serve it hot. It's a fantastic way to enjoy pizza without an oven. Also, remember to check the description below for a link to those handy leak-proof containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.